Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 11.1 question number 6. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 cm and breadth is 22 cm. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, what will the measure of each side? Also find which shape encloses more area. Let us find. According to the question, here you see, according to the question, according to the question, according to the according to the question, according to the question, perimeter of the square equal to perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the square, perimeter of the square, perimeter of the square, perimeter of the square is equal to perimeter of the rectangle, is equal to perimeter, perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle. Right. Now perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square, we know that the perimeter of the square is 4 into side. That implies that 4 into side, 4 into side or 4L, 4 into side, and perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into length plus breadth, or length L plus B is breadth, right? Side L. Therefore, or which implies that 4 into side, 4 into side is equal to 2 into L plus B, 2. What is the length? Length is 40 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and breadth is 22 centimeter. Breadth is 22 plus 22 centimeter, and that it comes equal to 2 into 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, and 0, 800, and this is 0. That comes to 880, right? Therefore, you can find that this is plus, we have to rub this one, that is 2 into 40 plus 22, that is 62, 62, I will get 62 into 2, or you can write that side is equal to side, this side of the square, side is equal to 2 into 62 by 4, 62 by 4, or you can divide this one, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, and 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, that is 31. That is, we find that the side of the square is 31 centimeter, 31 centimeter, right? Now find which shape encloses more area, right? Now side of the square is 31 centimeter, therefore area of the rectangle, and if we have to find the area of the square and area of the rectangle, area of the square, area of the square, area of the square is equal to L square or side square, is equal to L square or side into side. What is the length of one side of a square? That is 31 centimeter. That is 31 into 31 centimeter square. Centimeter square. If we multiply 31 with 31, 31 into 31 will get 1 is 1, 3 is 3, or 3 1 is 3, 3 is 9, or equal to 961. 961, right? Therefore, we are getting area of the square is 961, 961 centimeter square, right? And we have to find the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length. Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth is equal to L into B into B. What is the length? Length here you see is 40 and breadth is 22. Breadth is 22. This is centimeter square. What are you getting? That is 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 8 and 80 centimeter square. If we compare the areas of both, we find that the area of the square is greater than the area of the rectangle, right? Therefore, you can say, therefore, area of the square, area of the square, area of the square, area of the square, square is greater. Area of the square is greater than the area of the rectangle, then the area of the rectangle, and the area of the rectangle, right? Here you see, according to the question, the perimeter of the square is equal to perimeter of the rectangle. We know that the perimeter of the square is 2, 4 into side, and perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, right? Therefore, 4 into side is equal to length is 40 and the breadth is 22. So 40 plus 22, that is 40 plus 22 is 62. 2 into 62. Our side is equal to 2 into 62 by 4, that comes to 31 centimeter. Therefore, that thus one side of the square is 31 centimeter. And we know that area of a square is L square or side into side, that is 31 into 31, it comes to 961 centimeter square, and the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, therefore 40 into 22, that is 880 centimeter square. Now if we compare the area of a square and area of the rectangle, we find that the area of the square is greater than the area of the rectangle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.